Suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my chamber door. It was just a parcel. Welcome to By Candlelight, beaming goth, dark wave and post-punk straight into your brain. Being careful not to hit the trick-or-treaters. They bruise easily. Happy Halloween, my fine and dare I say lithe Darklings. Welcome to a Halloween special of By Candlelight. I'm going to be talking about my film, album and book recommendations this All Hallows Eve. And I'm going to be opening up this baby. What's inside? No one knows. Well, the sender knows, but no one else. You know what? I just need to open this parcel. I'm so excited. So on the side of this box, it says, Dan, enjoy. Give away, toss or throw anything you may not want. I enjoy your videos. Keep being you. Your fan from Iowa, USA, Valerie. Thank you so much, Valerie, and I've never had a fan before, so this is great. Let's dive in. The black scissors are going to be my friend right now. Off. Obviously you can't see this, but it's just a cardboard box, so you can hear it though. ASMR noises going on here. Okay, lots of bubble wrap. Get rid of the scissors. Ooh, what is this? What's this? Let me just unwrap this. Don't want to damage it in case it's... I need to get the scissors again. Okay, I have cut open the bubble wrap. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, it's a candlestick holder. The candle goes in there. Oh my God. Valerie, that is amazing. Already I'm overcome. Okay, let's move on. Looks like some sort of mug. Wow, look at that. That is just so cool. Very British. Okay, I think this may be the saucer, but I don't want to assume. Looks like a saucer, doesn't it? Yes, look at that. Where did I put the cup? Found it, there it is. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Let's open this up. Ooh, what's that? Vampire blood, bath and body works. Vampire blood. Take it that's some sort of shower gel, maybe? We shall find out. Smells of blood. Fresh blood. Brilliant, thank you. Some candlesticks to go with the crow/raven candlestick holder. What's this? This looks like some sort of book, maybe? Oh, Ghostly Tales of Iowa. Thank you. That is so cool. And this is a Edgar Allan Poe card, which is fab. What else is in this little box of delights? This looks like another delicate item. Have a little look. Wow, look at that. Is it a candle? I think it might be a candle. Let's have a little look. Yes, it's a candle. How beautiful is that? Oh, it smells amazing as well. Look at the skull on the top. That is so cool. Vampire blood it's called. There's some clothing item here. Kind of all folded up. That is so, probably can't really see that. Wow, thank you very much. And coming into a little box now. Body Rage. Okay, I'm so going to be wearing that on the next video. A coffin with chains around it. And that's how I imagine my coffin to look like. I want loads of chains, spikes around my actual coffin, please, if anyone is watching this that would have a say in the matter. There is a box here. I don't know whether that was... Oh, no, there is more in this box. Should we open this up, see what it is? That's another necklace, and it looks like another coffin with hands. I'll hold it there. That is beautiful. Amazing. Thank you so much. I'm not sure there is anything in there that I would want to throw away, because all that is amazing. Thank you so much, Valerie. That was, what a fantastic gift. So moving on to my album recommendation this Halloween, which is Corruption for the Insidious by Death Loves Veronica. It's dark, electronic and sexy and perfect for Halloween. If you like bands like Boy Harsher, this one will definitely appeal to you. Film recommendation is Host. Viewers of this channel will have heard me talk about this film before. Have a look up there. It's a cheeky little thing. I'm not going to look at it. It just encourages it. So made during lockdown, about being in lockdown. This is a masterstroke of filmmaking. So it's basically about a group of friends who organise a séance over a Zoom call just to ease the boredom of lockdown. And things don't go well. I got this film as a special edition from Second Sight Films. So let's just take this out. So it comes as a Blu-ray. It's all in this like little box. And then there are some postcards, which is cool. And a book, which has got the original kind of screenplay idea and a bit about the film. You know, it's just got various photos in it. Yeah, it's just all about the film, really. But yeah, it's really good. It's been my favourite horror film for years now. It is just, there's nothing else like it. I mean, to make a film about lockdown, during lockdown, I highly recommend this film. It's easily one of the best modern horror films. My book recommendation is Barrowbeck by Andrew Michael Hurley. Well, I say recommendation, I literally bought this today, so not sure what it's like yet. But the Starve Acre author is pretty reliable when it comes to folk horror. So, what are you guys up to this Halloween? What films, albums, or books will you be consuming? Not literally, that would probably give you a stomachache. Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you're having Halloween fun, make it safe fun. Until next time.